What's up peeps, RT here and welcome back to my channel. This video featuring car bomb trail at Bryce Bike Park in Virginia, and it's my first time here. It's a single black diamond flow trail that features berm, wooden bridges, drop, and jumps. A fun rowdy short trail about half a mile long. From the top, you can connect to this trail through upper screwdriver, and the bottom of the car bomb is a wooden step over jump, a whale tail, and straight drop. Hope you like this video. Cheers to you all. Be safe and God bless. Let's go ride. Snake bite on the other side. Okay. This is a blue one. Blue trail. All right, car bomb here. This is it? Okay. Whew. Watch out. Oh, whew. Another drop. Phew. Car bomb all the way, okay? Car bomb all the way through. Nice, that was fun. Yeah, babe.